this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy, guys. Another simple but powerful boom and crash strategy. Okay, the strategy is very simple to understand, but the outcome is very powerful. Okay, very accurate. Okay, so with this strategy you'll be able to take 10 candles, okay, 10 candles out of the boom and crash market without any fear of spike. Okay, so if you love to see me show you how to do that, make sure you stick to this video till the end of the video. Okay, stick to the video till the end and make sure you don't skip any part. Okay, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, because on this channel I post powerful strategy that with my strategy you'll be able to make money on the boom and crash strategy consistently. Okay, so without that being said let's go to how the strategy works. Okay, let me show you the conditions and how to take your entries. So for our first entry, what we need to do is to wait for your RSI to get to the 90 level. Okay, it needs to cross this 75 and you see it touching this 90 level. Okay, this is the sell zone. It needs to be in this zone. Okay, when you see it touching the 90 level like this, that is indicating a strong sell. Okay, a very strong sell. Now after you see this, after you see that this condition is being met, now you don't just rush into the market. You still need some few conditions before you take entry. Okay, now for your second condition, and you see the fractals, sorry, the alligator lines here, this alligator line. Okay, now you see this three alligator line. You need to wait for this green one right here. Okay, the green one to cross below the red, then cross below the blue. Okay, you need to see it crossing below the red and blue downward. Now when you see this, when you see the crossing, immediately you see the crossing and you see the green below the red, the green, sorry, the blue and the red, then you go in for 10 candles. Okay, as you can see right here, we have 10 candles after the crossing. Okay, let me show you. You can see that we have, let me just start from this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and see we have 10 candles after that crossing happen, and after that you get out of the market, then you look for another opportunity. As you can see right here, this is another example. When it gets to the overbought level, after the spike, and see there was a spike, and you check your indicator window, you can see it's touching the 90 level here. Then the next thing, you wait for the crossing, the green below the blue and the red, and then you go in for your 10 candles. After the 10, you exit. You don't need to be greedy. Okay, so that is our two conditions. Okay, you can see how simple it is. Just need to follow these two conditions. First of all, on your indicator window right here, and then the second condition, you wait for the crossing. Okay, now very important. Okay, make sure you always do your analysis. So for this one, you go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now this is where our black moving average comes in, the 200 moving average. As you can see right here, price is below the 200 moving average. Okay, that is indicating a downtrend. Okay, that's indicating a downtrend. You can see. So let's say I'm to use trend line here. Let me just use trend line and show you something. You can see, let's say I draw my trend line right here. Okay, let me make sure it's touching the tips. Okay, so you can see now that price broke through this trend line with a very powerful candle here. You can see this is a very strong candle breaking through our trend line right here. Okay, now this red trend line is serving as our support. You can see that price broke through it. What is this telling you? That we are now on a downtrend. Okay, now when you see this, you know that we are on a downtrend. There are some signals here that should be telling you that you are on a downtrend. You can see the reversal candles here. You can see this is a reversal candle here, a doji, or whatever you may call it, falling star or whatever. You can see right here. Let me zoom in so that you see what I'm saying. You can see, once you see something like this, you should know clearly that you are on a downtrend. Okay, so I don't need to tell you again before you know. So when you see something like this, you go to your 1 minute time frame. Okay, before I go there, let me show you another thing, so that for those of you who will not be able to draw a trend line or know anything like this, just make sure you follow these rules. Once you see that price is below this 200 moving average right here, okay, just like as you have seen here, you see that. Let me delete this red candle here, this red trend line. You can see that price has broken through this 200 moving average with a very strong candle. So the next thing now, you should know that this is a very good opportunity for you. Okay, then you go to your 1 minute time frame. You can see there's another sign here. If you know what I'm talking about, this is a double top. Okay, you can see something like M here, a double top. This is another sign for you that this trend is going to be a powerful downtrend. Okay, as you can see right from that sign, you can see that sorry, you can see that the price kept going down and down. Okay, down to this stage. You can see that was a very powerful downtrend. So you can see that this strategy is a very powerful one, a very powerful strategy. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how the strategy works. So I don't need to talk much. You can see for yourself. Now, one other thing that you need to take note of, you see this side here. You can see that the RSI here is fluctuating. It's not stable. You can see it's going down and up right here. You can see it's going down and up, which means it's not a strong zone for you to sell from. Okay, it's not every time that once it spike, make sure you check if it's going up and down like this. Okay, just be looking at this, please. Check if it's going up and down like this. That is not a strong support zone for you to, a strong resistance zone for you to buy from. Okay, so you make sure you look for a perfect and strong zone like this place. As you can see, this place right here is not fluctuating. It's not fluctuating. So this one is a strong one. This one is not too strong. Don't buy from there. This one is not too strong too. You can see this one is strong. It's not fluctuating. This is a strong one. Okay, this is it. So it's not every opportunity you see in the market that you should be selling from. Okay, so you can see that's something you need to take note of, very important. So this strategy, it works on the boom 1000 and crash 1000. On crash, you need to do the opposite. Okay, right here on boom we are selling, so on crash you are going to be buying. Okay, so that's it. Let me just show you the settings now. Okay, so for the settings, as you all know, you first of all click on the F sign right over here. After clicking on the F sign, you can see our first indicator right here is the moving average. You click on it. Okay, I don't know if I should like delete everything and set it afresh, because but I don't want to waste time. So let's just like add it like then. Let me just show you. So you, after clicking on the F icon, the first moving average is the first indicator is the moving average. Search for the moving average and you add it. So your setting is going to be like this. The period is 200, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. Okay, under the style we have 4 pixel, the color is black. After that you click on done, your moving average will be added. Then the next indicator is going to be our alligator. You search for your alligator, you click on it, and these are the settings. Okay, these are the settings. Make sure you write everything you are seeing here, you set it the same way. Okay, after that you can see these are the remaining ones. Make sure you write everything the same way, choose the same color the same way. Okay, after that you click on done. Now the next indicator you are going to search for is going to be the relative strength index. Okay, after you search for it, you click on it. These are the settings you are supposed to set it. This is the way you are going to set it. The period is 1, apply to close. Under the style we have 2 pixel, the color is black, and then under the levels you are going to make it 90, 10, 75 and 25. Okay, then the style is going to be 2 pixel, the color is black. After that you go back and then you click on done. Then the next indicator is going to be the moving average. Okay, you are going to like add it under the indicator window 1. Okay, this is where you are going to click this F icon right here. Okay, this F icon right here is the place you are going to click. Okay, then you search for moving average. The period is going to be 3, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Under the style we have 4 pixel, you make the color black. After that you click on done, you go back and then you will have a screen like this. Okay, so that's just the settings. That's how simple it is. Okay, any question, you drop it on your comment on my comment. You just drop a comment for me. Sorry. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like the video, make sure you like. Okay, you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks guys, love you, see you out.